Okay children, let's go for the next exercise. Just look at this picture carefully children. Okay, read the heading. Fill in the blanks with the correct blend. Okay, we have to fill the each and every blank with the correct blending words or correct ending words. Okay children. Okay, let's look at this first picture children. What is this children? This is nest. Yes, tell me loudly children. Nest. 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 Yes. N-N-E-N-S. Yes, is T. Nest. Nest. Okay, now you can getting the ST sound children. N-N-N-St. Nest. Nest. Okay children, let's go to the second image children. Look at this picture children. This is not hand, this is a 5. He is showing 5. 1 2 3 4 5 5. Okay children. Okay, let's finish this ending letter children. What is this? This is a 5. 5. 5. Yes, V E 5. 5. Okay children. Okay, next look at this picture children. What is this? This is, yes, this is a yummy milk. Yes, we want to drink milk every day, isn't it? This is a good for calcium. Very good. Are you taking milk every day? Yes, if you take milk then you will become a very strong. Okay, let's go to this picture. Okay, this is a milk. Let's finish this ending word. Milk. 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 L-K. Milk. Milk. Yes. M-I-L-K. Milk. Milk. Okay. Let's go for the next picture children. Look at this picture children. What is this? This is a, yes, this is an ant. Okay, ant. The a is here. N. Yes, N sound is coming. We have to write the N. Ant. Yes. Ant. Okay, let's look at this picture children. What he is holding a, yes, he is holding a mask. Okay, let's finish the mask letter children. Listen carefully children. Mask. Yes sound. Mask. Yes, K sound. Mask. Yes. Okay, let's look at this picture children. What is this? This is a, yes, no, this is a baby not. Let's look at this carefully children. They have put in a dash here and asked the question mark. Okay, this is a chest. Okay, the C H E are already given. The leftover 2 word we have to find out it. Okay, chess. Yes sound is coming. No, we have to write the S. Chest. Very nice. T, we have to put T. Okay children, let's move on to the next picture. Listen it. This is, what is this? This is a tent. Okay, this is a tent. We can construct a tent in your home and you can sit along with your friends or sisters. You can play it. Okay, we can use our mother saris or sisters dupatta. We can make a tent. Okay, we can make a tent and we can play along with our friends, our sisters and brothers. It will be enjoyable, isn't it children? Did you already play it like this? Okay children, let's move to this exercise. Okay, let's see the spelling. T-E, ten. What is the spelling for 10? T-E-N. Okay, this is a T-E-N. 10. Okay, then T will be come here. Okay children, I hope you understand it. Listen children carefully. 10, T-E-N. 10, tent. Okay, let's move to the next picture children. This is, what is this? This is a, yes, this is a not table, this is a desk. D-E already given. Okay, desk. Okay, tell me what is the spelling for yes, first spelling will come. Desk, k. Yes, K sound will have become. Desk. Okay, let's look at the pictures and spelling one more time. This is a nest and the spelling is NEST, nest. This is 5 and the spelling is FIVE, 5. This is a milk and its spelling is MILK, milk. This is an ant and the spelling is ANT, ant. This is a mask and its spelling is MASK, mask. This is a chest and its spelling is CHEST, chest. This is a tent and its spelling is TENT, tent. This is a desk and its spelling is DESK. Okay children, hope you can understand it very well. Let's move to the next exercise. Okay children, let's see the next exercise. Just read the headings carefully children. Read the words aloud. Okay, we have to read the words aloud. If it makes the yes sound, if it makes the S sound, of C, if this, for example, this is a C letter, isn't it? But it makes X sound, we have to write the word in the blue box. This is a blue box and this is a red box. Let's write the box name. This is a blue box and this is a red box. Okay. Okay, if the C have the yes sound means we have to write it on the blue box. Okay, suppose the C makes K sound. Okay, if the C makes K sound, then we have to write it on the red box. Listen carefully children. If a C makes yes sound, if the C makes yes sound, we have to write it on the blue box. If C makes K sound, then we have to write it on the red box. Okay. If C yes sound, we have to write it on a blue box. If the C K sound, then we have to write it on the red box. Let's do the exercise. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. Let's go for an exercise. Okay, just pronounce it loudly. Cell, 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 cell. You are hearing S sound or K sound children? Yes, you are hearing a yes sound. Okay, if you are hearing a S sound, then we want to write it in red box or blue. Yes, in the blue box. Shall I write? Okay, let's tell the spelling for cell. CELL, cell. Okay, children. Okay, let's go to the next exercise. Cape, cape. It's not a cap, it's a cape. Cape, 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 cape. What is the sound coming from the cape? Are you hearing the K sound from the C or a S sound from the C? Yes, you are getting a K sound from the C. Very good children. If we get K sound from the C, where we want to write? We want to write it on the red box or the blue box? Yes, we want to write it on the red box. Shall I write children? Okay, you are going to tell me the spelling for the cape. C-A-P-E, cape. Very good children. Let's look at the next set of words. This is prize, price, prize, prize. We should not consider the P. We have to consider only the C. Okay, the C sound is whether S or K. Price, price, price. You are hearing a sound or a K sound from C children? Yes, you are hearing S sound from the price. Okay, if we get S sound from the C, where we want to write, whether we want to write it on the red box or blue box? Everybody is telling correct. We have to write it on the, yes, a blue box. Okay, I'm right. You have to tell the spelling for the prize. P-R-I-C-E. price. Very good. Okay, let's do the next set of words. This is a space. 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 We should not consider the S and P. We have to only see the sound of the C. Space. 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 Okay, you are hearing a sound or a K sound from the letter C. Yes, you are getting a sound from the letter C. If you are getting the sound, S sound, where we want to write, whether we want to write it on the red box or a blue box. Yes, children, good. Everybody is telling correct. Yes, if you can hear the yes sound from the letter C, we want to write it on the blue box. Okay, I'm going to write. You're going to tell the spelling. S. Come on. P A C E. Very nice. Okay, let's look the next set of words. This is race. 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 Okay, we want to consider only the C. Race. Race. Are you hearing any S sound from the C or a K sound from the C? Yes, very good. You are hearing the S sound from the letter C. Okay, if you are getting the S sound from the letter C, whether you want to write it on the red box or a blue box. Yes, if you are getting S sound from the C, we have to write it on the blue box. Okay, let I'm going to write. You are going to tell the spelling. R A C E, race. Very good, very good. Okay, let's look at the next set of words. This is a crop. Crop. It's not a crop. This is a crop. Crop. Okay. What the sound you are getting from the letter C? Crop. 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 You are getting any K sound or a S sound from the letter C? Yes, you are getting K sound from the letter C. Okay, if you are getting a K sound from the letter C, where you want to write, whether you want to write it in the red box or a blue box. Yes, you want to write it on the red box. Shall I write? You are going to tell the spelling for me. C R O P, crop. Very nice. Okay, let's look the next set of words, children. This is a cake. 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 We have to look at the letter C here. Okay, you don't want to bother about any other words because they are told to listen only the letter C. Okay, we want to bother only about letter C. Okay, let's pronounce it correctly. Cake. 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 Okay, you are hearing a S sound from C or a K sound from the letter C? Yes, you are getting a K sound from the letter C. Okay, if you are hearing a K sound, where you want to write? You want to write it in a red box or a blue box? Yes, you want to write it on the red box. I am going to write. You are going to dictate me the spelling of cake. C A K E, cake. Okay, let's go for a next set of words. This is a code. 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 You are hearing a K sound from the letter C or a S sound from the letter C? Okay, children, did you got it? Yes, you are hearing a K sound from the letter C. Okay, if you are getting the K sound, where we want to write, whether in a red box or a blue box? Yes, we want to write it in the red box. Very good. I am going to write. You are going to dictate. C. Next word. O. D. E. Code. Code. Okay. This is a cell. C-E-L-L. Cell. Cape. C-A-P-E. Cape. Price. P-R-I-C-E. Price. This is a space. S-P-A-C-E. space. This is a race, RACE, race. This is a crop, CROP, crop. This is a cake, CAKE, cake. This is a code, CODE, code. Okay, let's move to the next set of words, children.